Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Up with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And let me bring this up. We're going to be showing you some new items that you can get. They're in the new catalog that comes out in June, that you can start ordering from in June. But you can get this early release. It's called the Ornate Garden Set Suite. It has 2 bundles. It has some designer series paper, ribbon, gems, embossing folder, and we're going to make this really great card from it. It's a cute little card. What you're going to need is you are going to need your Ornate Thanks stamp set. I'm using the Thank You. You are going to need terracotta tile ink, cardstock. I am using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Old Olive, plus I'm using like about a half of a 5.5 by 4.25 piece of Old Olive. I am also using probably about 2 inches by 4.25 of Whisper White. I've already cut those out. You are going to be using a 4 by 5.25 each piece of the Ornate Garden Designer Series paper. I like the terracotta side for this one. You are also going to be using the Ornate Garden Ribbon Combo Pack. I am going to be using the Old Olive 1/4 inch ribbon. Okay, and it also has terracotta in there, but I'm going to use the Old Olive. You are going to be using the Gilded gems from that suite. They're like gold, not sequins, rhinestones, golden rhinestones. I am also using my Stampin' Dimensionals glue dots. We're going to use the Big Shot, and we are going to be using, these are from the, let me get this right, from the Ornate Layer dies. They have a bunch of really nice dies. They're in with the Ornate, what is the Ornate Style stamp. They bundle with the Ornate Style stamp. Okay. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out from the Old Olive is the Ornate long one, and put it in this way going through the Big Shot, along with this on the Whisper White, just the small one. It's a stitched one, and again put it through going this way through the, not this way. I found that it cuts better. Practice a lot. Don't just put it through once, especially with this one. I will give you a hint. If you don't like small things like glitter, stuff that gets all over, let me show you this. Can you see those? But you can't see those. Let me put you down. See those little things? See those, all of those little things? That's what comes off when you do these. See, you can see all those little holes. So if you don't like a mess, don't get this. But look at the beautiful layer frame it does. So anyhow, so we're going to do that, and you're going to come up with the Whisper White and that. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get out your terracotta and your Thank You, and you're going to stamp Thank You on the Whisper White. Simple, easy peasy. center it and stamp it. And there you have it. And then I'm just going to take my glue dots and I'm going to attach the Whisper White to the Old Olive frame. Oops. And there I go. Then, where's mine? I am going to take my Old Olive card base, make it a card base. I am then going to attach my piece of Ornate Garden Designer Series paper. Then I'm going to put a couple of Stampin' Dimensionals in the back, and I am going to center this on the card front. Then I'm going to take my Ornate Garden Ribbon Combo Pack, and I'm going to tie a bow. And there's my scissors. Going to cut that like that and like that. Stick a couple glue dots on the back of that sucker. Going to stick that on the top. Then I'm going to take one big, these come in like, there are 3 sizes in the pack. Take a big one, stick it in the middle, and take 2 small ones and stick them alongside on each side. There you have it. Didn't center it too well. Oh well. So remember to follow me on YouTube, and if you enjoy my videos, please help me in my small business by ordering all your Stampin' Up! Products from me. You can find what you need to make this down below. For Stampin' Camp with Mary, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.